Unit 4.
Capture. Capture is a noun. Capture is the act of catching or gaining control by force or skill. After the capture of the ship, the pirates divided its gold and silver. Now you say the word capture. Capture. Capture is a verb. To capture is to grab and hold onto, or to hold the attention of. I will not read a book that does not capture my interest. Now you say the word capture. Coward. Coward is a noun. A coward is one who has no courage or gets scared easily. I behaved like a coward during the thunderstorm. Now you say the word coward. Coward. Exclaim. Exclaim is a verb. To exclaim is to speak with strong feelings or emotions, or to cry out. When the phone rings, I always exclaim, "I'll get it." Now you say the word exclaim. Exclaim. Gloomy. Gloomy is an adjective. Gloomy means partly or completely dark, or wearing a frown. The twins were both gloomy when they did not get their way. Now you say the word gloomy. Gloomy. Insist. Insist is a verb. To insist means to state something or make a demand firmly. I continued to insist that I did my homework, even though I didn't have it with me. Now you say the word insist. Insist. Passage. Passage is a noun. Passage means the act of moving from one place to another. A trip by sea or by air, or a way in or out. Passage also means a part of a written work or a piece of music. The passage from England to India took many days by boat. Now you say the word passage. Passage. Restless. Restless is an adjective. Restless means unable to rest, relax, or be still, without rest or sleep. The baby was restless all night. Now you say the word restless. Restless. Shallow. Shallow is an adjective. Shallow means not deep or not showing much thought. The lake is shallow, so it is safe. Now you say the word shallow. Shallow. Shatter. Shatter is a verb. To shatter is to break into many pieces or to cause much damage. Why did the mirror shatter? Now you say the word shatter. Shatter. Talent. Talent is a noun. Talent is an ability to do something well, or a skill or gift. You have a natural talent for singing. Now you say the word talent. Talent.